I've added a clip to the timeline and I would like it to go in reverse. So all you need to do to copy the clip is hold down Alt and then drag the clip to the right. This will make a copy of the clip. Now we need to put the clips together. Now make sure the clip is selected and right click, go to speed and duration, and we need to click on reverse speed. Now press OK. Now this should play perfect. So we are coming up to the reverse clip. But if yours is not playing perfect and it is struggling, you need to go to the preview window and click on this and then put it onto 1/4%. Now this will only affect the preview. It will not affect your final render. So I hope this video has helped, and if it has, please give it a like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.